3-minute workout before sleep to slim down your legs. Hey, this is Waysandhow. If sexy legs are one of your dreams, we have got something for you. In this video, I will show you 6 simple exercises that you can do before bed that will help you tone, shape, and slim those legs and make them look sexy. Watch all 6 exercises and pick your favorites. Having slender legs can improve our appearance and boost our self-confidence. But it usually takes hours at the gym and a serious workout regimen to achieve great-looking calves and thighs. Luckily, there's a 3-minute workout you can do before sleep to slim down your legs at home without needing any weights or specialized equipment. To engage in this leg slimming workout, save it as the last thing to do for the day. The latter part of the exercise can be done in bed, so if you get your bedtime routine out of the way before starting your workout, you can doze off as soon as you're done. When you're ready, perform these exercises one after the other without any breaks in between. There's no need to repeat it as in a circuit. Once you're done with all 6 exercises, you're done for the day and you can repeat it the next evening. Single leg calf raises. Stand close to a wall that you can use for balance. Wrap your left foot around your right so that your left toes are touching your right ankle. Slowly lift your heels as if going on tiptoe. Hold the top position for 5 seconds before lowering your heel back down. Repeat 10 times before doing the same on the other side. Tiptoe squats. Keep your hands on your hips and stand with your feet around hip width apart. Raise your heel so you're on tiptoes before lowering your buttocks down for a squat. Go as low as you can without losing your balance. Bring yourself back up to your starting position. Repeat 10 times. Lying knee bends. Lie on your bed with your arms at your sides and palms facing down. Lift both legs straight up so that they're perpendicular to your upper body. Bend your right knee and hold the position for a second before straightening your leg back up. Do the same for the left leg. Keep alternating between the 2 legs until you've completed a total of 20 or 10 per leg. Scissors. While lying on your bed, keep your arms at your sides and palms facing down. Lift your legs so that your feet are at least a foot away from the mattress. Cross your right leg over your left leg, and then cross your left leg over your right leg. Keep alternating between the 2 positions until you've done a total of 20 or 10 per side. Side leg circles. Lie on your left side with your elbow bent and your hand supporting your head. While keeping your knees straight, lift your right leg and make circles in the air using your toes. Make 10 circles before reversing the direction and doing another 10. Do the same for the opposite side. Side lying leg lifts. Lie on your left side with your head resting on your left arm. Lift your right leg as high as you can before lowering it back down. Repeat 10 times before doing the same for the opposite side. You can do this exercise at any time of the day, but setting aside time before bed to engage in this workout will allow for a routine that's easy to follow with no distractions. Plus, you'll give your muscles enough time to rest and develop while you sleep. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.